It turns out that the Samsung Galaxy Note 9 might get a bigger battery than we expected. Samsung and LG are apparently trying to kill both the bezel and the notch next year. Well, that would be LG. And speaking about bezels, the Vivo NEX was just announced, and it is barely offering any sort of bezels. I'm Jaime Rivera, and you guessed it, pre-recording is great. I'm able to prepare this video for you guys, but I'm actually traveling today. This is Pocketnow Daily. The official news today begin with deals. Buy one, get one free deals are available for iPhones. iPhone 8, iPhone 10, it all depends on what combination you pick, the pricing you'll get, and the conditions. The iPhones continue to be great phones, believe it or not, the iPhone 8 being one of my favorites, even with the bezels. You can learn more about the deals in the description. These are Father's Day deals. Those of you that want to send me a phone, I would love it. And as for non-deals, believe it or not, the Snapchat spectacles are now available on Amazon. Finally, don't know what took them so long. You know, if they would have launched on Amazon initially, I would have probably bought the first generation. The second one retains the same ugly design, $150. Oh, God, Snapchat, I would really want to use these things, and I would actually use Snapchat if I could. It's just, come on, man, give us another design and I would totally go for it. Now let's talk about the Vivo NEX. Believe it or not, I actually could not be part of that event because of this trip that I'm doing today. It was just too crazy to go to Shanghai and then to make this other trip. Sadly, I wasn't able to be there for the coverage, but the Vivo NEX is, my God, that thing is a beast. Great specifications, Qualcomm Snapdragon 845, all the bells and whistles, all the storage you want, a huge battery, the advantage that it's got a crazy 93% screen to body ratio, I think I got that right, correct me if I'm wrong, and best of all, if you want a selfie cam, it comes from the top, it elevates and then goes down, and I can't wait to give it a try. I asked them to send me a unit, hopefully that'll happen soon. I'll keep you posted. Now let's talk about Samsung and LG. More LG, as the rumors are that the companies are both working on ways to kill the bezel and also kill notches. I'm talking about you, LG, not Samsung. We don't have to deal with that there. But apparently they're working together, not necessarily together, but both companies are working on the same thing, meaning they're looking to implement bone conduction technology and some sort of a solution for the selfie cam in order for the company to offer a full screen and no bezels. I find that to be great. Whatever companies do in order to make phones smaller but give us larger screens is all great for me. Let's just see who does it first. Usually it's LG, but then Samsung takes all the credit. And finally, the hottest news today have to do with the Samsung Galaxy Note 9. We saw renders of horizontal cameras instead of vertical for this phone, following what we saw with the Galaxy Note 8. And apparently we've got some sources that are claiming that there's a reason for that. It seems that the battery is not going to be 3850. Apparently we're getting a 4000 milliamp hour battery. This is a first on the know. We've had this battery size for active smartphones from Samsung for a while. So yeah, it would be great, but in today's question, let us know. I mean, do you mind if the cameras are vertical, horizontal? Because in my case, I don't really care. So long as the fingerprint scanner is reachable and the battery is large, let's go for it. But that's just me. Leave us a comment down below. We'd love to know your opinion. Friends, again, if you want to get the news earlier, follow us on Pocketnow.com and subscribe to our channel by hitting this button up here. You can watch yesterday's Pocketnow Daily up here and our review of the OnePlus 6 down here. You can also follow me on Twitter, Jaime_Rivera, on Instagram at Jaime Rivera. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like what you saw. I'm Jaime Rivera. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you tomorrow.